5 Little Ducks. Poem for kids.
5 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mama duck said, quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out to play, splashing in the pond all day. Mama duck said, quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went sliding fast, laughing, waddling, having a blast. Mama duck said, quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went near the gate, playing hide and seek, oh so great. Mama duck said, quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck felt sad and alone, missing sisters, missing home. Mama duck said, quack, 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 and all 5 little ducks came back. And all 5 little ducks came back.